And then the next one. Yeah, galing. Sino pa? Okay, okay, okay. Ano ka man? Kayo magatalon kayo, be? Magatalon kayo? Ayun, si Bunog. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda dito. It's really nice here. Very nice. Very pretty. Look the water. Yep. Who's jumping? Kung ayaw nyo magtalon, alis dyan. Magtatalon sila, yes. Ayoko talaga. Doon na lang ako sa maliit. Yeah, it's getting more people here. It's really nice water. Oh my goodness. There's another rocks there. I will try to climb. Ay, paano nga ng sunglasses ko?